Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on some stereo lights on the VW Polo's headliner. Let's get to it. Okay, before we begin, I've already opened our package. This package arrived about 2 days ago. We've got fiber optics. We've opted in for a 500 piece, which I'm pretty sure will be plenty enough for our small roof in the Polo. You've got a couple of harnesses, so you can plug into the wall, test it out. You can plug it into your cigarette lighter, or you can just hardwire it straight into your car, which is most likely what we're going to do. Comes with a little remote, which is pretty neat, and your little light element, and then your fiber optic hose. So yeah, let's install this. Time to remove the headliner. Hopefully it's easy. Let's check it out. All right guys, now with the headliner out, as you can see, I've drawn 12 different cubes here, so 3, 6, 9, and 12. I'm gonna go ahead and put 41 dots on each cube and then see if we like this. We were able to come up with this style. So got a couple of the star constellations in here, Southern Cross, that little man figure, 3 sisters. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start weaving through one fiber optic for each hole.
Approximately 10 hours later.
All right guys, we're finally finished with installing all the fiber optics. So we've gone ahead and drilled a little hole by poking a safety pin through the headliner. Then we weaved through the fiber optic, and then we've hot glue gunned every single one, all 500 of them. Looks really good. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this light engine over here, have the fiber optics run through the light like that. It's already nighttime. But yeah, let's get into the car. So this is what it looks like without the lights on. Yeah, it looks so good, bro. It actually looks like the night sky. It's pretty insane. Like, very happy with how it turned out.